My favourite two people, Harry and Meghan, are now moving into the investment business. Oh, yes, and they've joined an ethical technology company. Well, yes, Ethical are a successful company, or they appear to be a successful company. The couple have gone into partnership with them. They've invested money with them. And the firm is pledged to support companies aligned with their values. Yes. Well, Ethic is an asset management business. They're focused on sustainable investments. But we're told that actually some of the big investments that this firm have made are in the big tech companies. They've got money invested in Twitter, and they've got money invested also in Facebook. And if Harry and Meghan think by investing ethically that somehow that's going to bring them a return, they might be in for a nasty shock. My advice would be, don't buy shares, don't buy stock in anything that Sir Nick Clegg has got to do with. But we'll see how it works out. But maybe they should have taken some advice from Nancy Pelosi, the Speaker over there in Congress. Pelosi, who's been a member of the House of Representatives in Washington since 1987. Now, she and her husband, Paul, have done rather well because their net assets that she has to declare, in 2018, their net assets were $114 million. Their net assets in 2020, at the end of 2020, were $315 million. Yes, they've gone up by $200 million over the course of just 3 trading years. And it would appear that Nancy Pelosi is perhaps the best stock picker in the world. She clearly is a financial genius. In fact, she even exercised some options in Microsoft, and that was last year. And she did it just 2 weeks before the US government got a massive contract given to Netflix from the US military, a contract worth $22 billion. And the Pelosi's had exercised options just 2 weeks before. Now, I'm sure that's a complete and utter coincidence. I'm not making any allegations against Nancy Pelosi. I'm sure it's all pure coincidence and that she's just a complete genius. So maybe Harry and Meghan, she's the one to talk to. Can you imagine if anybody even closely related to Donald Trump had conducted a share transaction of that nature? You'd be seeing it all over the world. But because it's the Democrats, no one says a thing.